Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this particular video, I just brought an update to you guys. So this particular update is all about an investment platform called Nextera. So as you can see right here, I have the name of the platform uh, on the Google search here. So this platform is a newly launched platform, or um, its promotion service just came up yesterday, and I have already registered because it's just a free opportunity that can give you some USDT that you can use and invest to bring a return to you. So right now I'll be showing you how it works. All you need to do is to simply come to this site and sign up. So I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video so that you can be able to get registered and invest with the with the bonus that will be given to you immediately you sign up. So there will be a bonus of $20 that will be given to you. So if you read this news here, so this is their latest update. So this update says promotion that sign up bonus is $20 for each invited partner of level 1, or you can call it first level. You receive $0.2. So the promotion will end on June 25th at 12 p.m. So they have a Telegram group. So for you to read up about the platform and how it works and the goals and objective for setting up this particular platform, you can simply come to this Telegram link and click right here. It will take you straight to the Telegram group where you get to reach out and know more about this platform. So but in this video, the essence is to show you how to benefit from this promotion opportunity that just came up. So simply sign up using the link in the description of this video, and once you log into your dashboard, it will take you directly to this place. So when you are already here, all you have to do is to simply come to this three dotted line by the left corner of this screen. So as you can see, I am on my dashboard right now. You just click on this three dotted line here. So when you click on this three dotted line, a new page will come up like this. So when you're already here, you scroll down and come to this start investing. So you click on this start investing. So when you click on this start investing, a new page will also come up. Here are the list of investment opportunities with different plans, but where we want to focus on is getting the free promotion that will give you $20 to invest and get a return for yourself, and you just get to withdraw immediately you reach $10. So, and this promotion is going to last for 30 days, and the offer is given to end on 25th of July, which is next month. So right now, when you are already here, you simply have to scroll down and read up other plans that are available here, but these ones are for higher plans, which are for paid version of the plans. So but we will be getting the free offer that we'll be using to invest in order to get our return. So what we have to do is to simply tap on this open place and input $20, because immediately you sign up, you'll be receiving a minimum you'll be receiving $20 bonus, which you use to invest on this platform, and the minimum investment amount is $20. So and the amount that will be given as a bonus is $20 too. So this is a good opportunity for us to use it and invest, and once we earn till we reach $10, we can withdraw our money safely from this platform. And each day that you you get to spend on this site. So immediately you sign up, each day will be giving you $1. So each day will be giving you $1 for like 10 days. You'll be getting $10, and you can withdraw into your wallet using any withdrawal option of your choice, which we're going to look at and see the options for withdrawal that have been made available on this platform. So when you insert, after inserting your $20, you simply click on invest. So when you click on invest, so you can also read up these details here and see what you'll be getting in each day, and the percentage return that your investment will be giving you. So when you click on invest, it will simply invest. Because I have already invested and my current balance, as you can see right here, I have $5.60 right now. So because I've already invested and my current balance is not up to $20 to reinvest again to increase my earning, I cannot be able to do that. So but I've shown you what to do. As a new user on this platform, you simply need to invest with the $20 bonus that is being given to you immediately you sign up using the link in the description of this video, and it will get you investing. So when you finish investing, you simply need to come here again and click on, let's see the list of opportunities or the list of options for withdrawal. So you simply click on these three dotted lines again and come to this withdrawal button. When you click on withdraw fund, it will simply take you to a withdrawal page. So what you are going to insert here is the amount the amount you want to withdraw, and to withdraw you read up this attention prescription here. So what you have to do is to withdraw funds, add your wallet address in your profile. So you have to go and set up your wallet address in your profile, and then the minimum withdrawal amount is 10 USD. So, and you can simply scroll down and watch out for options that are available here. You can use any crypto coins or wallet address that you have to take out your money from this site. So once you click on the choice you've made, you simply need to come down here and click on submit a withdrawal request, and it will be submitted, and you will get your withdrawal within 2 hours to 48 hours. So that is the time it will take you to withdraw immediately you reach $10 minimum. So that is all that I have for you guys today. And for you to earn more, to increase your daily earnings, you simply need to come to this referral program option. So when you come to referral program option, you click on it and it will bring you a new page where you need to copy your referral link, and each referral you made will be giving you some percentage. So you just need to copy your referral link here and share it on different platforms. Share it to people and let them sign up through your link, so that you can be able to get some profits for yourself while they keep signing up through it. So that is all that I have for you guys today, and I want you to quickly use the link in the description of this video, and if you need any question, you can kindly drop it in the comment box and I will address it. And also click on the subscription button so that you get to be notified immediately I drop a new video like this. This is basically what I do here, bringing opportunities that will earn you money online, and also teaching you other things that will be of help, such as how to do some things for yourself without costing you much. So that is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video and get it to reach others, and you can also use it to guide others to get registered while they sign up through your link. So thank you and God bless.